All right, this is 7th grade math again. Obviously, this is part 2 of the distribution property, and we're just going to make sure that we review it, and we're going to practice it this time. Okay. All right. As we talked about 10 minutes ago, I don't know if everybody has a really good short-term memory, but just going to review exactly what the things we need to keep in mind when we're doing the distribution property. Is always remember that signs are always to the left of the number. So obviously we got a -4 here. Obviously the negative is going to be to the left. Say if we have two numbers next to each other, if we isolated just the 4, it'd be a -4. Okay. Number 2 is the variable exponents are always added. So if we're multiplying two variables, the two exponents are obviously going to be 2 plus 3, which is 5. So it's going to be x plus 5. Okay. And the last, obviously, if we're multiplying signs, different signs together, say if we have a negative times a negative, we're obviously going to turn that into a positive. Okay? And if we have a positive times a negative, we turn that to a negative. Negative times positive, that's also a negative. And a positive times positive is a negative. Okay? So everybody understands exactly what to keep in mind when we're doing distribution property. Okay. Let me give you some, what I'm going to do now is actually give you an equation, and we're going to pull out some instructions to help you guys answer the next part of the practice part of this lesson. Okay? So say which one did I have here? Hold on. So say we have 5 times 3x plus 1. Okay? Now, using distribution property, what is the first thing that we have to do? Yes, anybody? Yes?
Distribute the 5.
Yes. Very good. So we're going to distribute the 5 to every variable or every number within the parentheses. So that is going to be our first instruction. Distribute outside number to eliminate, I don't know if I'm going to spell eliminate right, but just bear with me.
That's right.
It is?
Mm-hmm.
Better English person I thought. Okay, next is what we're going to do is, obviously we distribute through, so we're going to have 15x, and obviously what is the next one we would distribute through? What would that be? Anybody?
5.
5. Plus 5 or negative 5?
Plus 5.
Okay. Get scared right there. All right. So then we obviously, the second part of this is we combine like terms. Okay? Okay, is there any like terms involved here?
No.
No. Say if I put a 5 before this A. I mean, before the 5 I put an A. Is that like terms? No. Okay. So as we can tell, anything that is exactly like this x right here, 15x, is a like term. All right? So then my last thing is we obviously have to solve for x. Because, you know, distribution property obviously makes you simplify the problem, but then you still have to solve for the variable to get it out. Everybody understand that? Okay. So if I solve for x here, I'm going to set this to 0. Solve for x. What is the first thing I have to do if I need to solve for x? No, actually right here.
Oh, so subtract the 5. Get the 5 on the other side.
Okay, great. So I'm going to subtract the 5. That cancels, so I have -5. Okay? With 15x. What do I do next? Yes.
Divide.
Marissa, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Divide by 15.
Divide by 15. Tremendous. By one side or both sides?
Both sides.
Both sides. Okay. So that would eliminate the 15 on this side, and that would leave us with x minus 15 over 5. Oh, I mean 5 over 15. Are we done?
No.
What do we have to do next?
Simplify or die. Simplify.
Whoa! Well, I'll choose to simplify it.
That's what.
Okay.
You said you were good.
I'll choose to simplify. So if I simplify, what is the common variable, the least common variable in this fraction?
5.
5. So we divide by 5. Divide by 5. What are we left with? Negative 1 over 3. So the answer is negative 1/3. Okay, does everybody see that? Mm-hmm. Okay, so these are the three instructions that you have to use the distribution property to its fullest capacity. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is you have this paper in hand. Okay, I want you to form in groups of 3. Okay, and I want you to solve this problem for x. Okay, so 3 right there. Marissa, I forgot your name, sorry. Mark. Jim, right there. The people there, right there. I'm not good with names.
Gotta get good with that.
I know. She hit me in football. Oh, excuse me. Only thing is, though, remember, we're solving for x knowing that a is equal to 3.
Are we setting the equation equal to 0?
Yes, you can set it to equal to 0. That still would make a difference on the answer.
Okay. Well, it has to be equal to something to figure out what x is.
Makes sense.
And you can set it to 0.
Yep.
Well, that's 9, right?
I would just do 15
Keep it that way?
yeah, and then substitute it.
Okay.
It's 10 plus. Do you now that A is 3, does that mean you just take out the A?
Yeah. Replace it with 3.
I'll do
I'm
that.
doing it later. I combine it. When I got it one set of A.
Oh, you did it already?
So it's negative 5 minus 25.
Yeah.
Plus 25 plus
And
then A.
and then negative 30.
So now we're going to combine both terms. 50
You get
How you doing?
minus 25.
Oh, you sound like people. You got it done.
Minus 30, right?
Yeah.
plus 30.
You're right. You're all right.
So it's so with the x's you have negative 5x minus 25x.
We like
so
math.
that's negative 30x
Oh,
plus 50x.
Would you keep the 30 in between for now?
No, it just turns it so you wouldn't combine all the terms. I underlined all the x things once.
Okay.
So I would do negative 5 minus 25,
Oh, I
which
see.
is negative 30,
Okay.
plus 50,
Okay.
which is positive 20. So it would be 20x.
Okay. I see what you did.
And then I'm going to go to the
So I combine the like
variable
terms
so
with the
the
x's.
third,
And with the x I combine.
plus
So minus 5 minus 25, that's minus
25.
50 minus 20x. And
30
then the regular numbers would happen. So 30
and 25, so
and
it's
25.
65.
Yeah.
And then
So
A
it's
is
20.
so 25 times 3 is 65.
Good.
All right.
140.
How far are we? Status check. How far are we?
20x equals negative 40.
You guys are done?
Oh my god, we're not done.
Whatever.
Okay.
Oh, we're done, we're ready.
All right. All right. So group 1, this group right here is going to be you're going to be doing number 3, solving for x. Group 2 is going to be combining like terms. Group 1, this group right here, you're going to be distributing. So I want you to distribute right now.
Right now?
Yep. One person, or you can all go up as a group.
How many do you go?
Go. Hurry.
Okay.
Oh, I'm nervous.
I mean, plus
To the
140.
best you can.
So I'm starting?
Yes.
Okay.
Distribute through.
So we did the Humpty Dumpties, these things.
They were Humpty Doodads.
Humpty Doodads. So we have negative 5x plus 30 minus 25x plus 15a plus 10 plus 15x plus 10a.
Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, group 2. Go do the combining like terms. Go.
Who's group 2?
You are.
You are.
Oh, no.
Go. Hurry. Run. Run out of time here.
Oh, I'm combining all of them.
Yes.
Okay.
That's the extent of my math skills.
Okay. Are we correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, last.
Relay.
Solve for x. Oh, that's quick. I like the speed here.
Can I ask a question?
Look at this.
That's to be on like.
Oh, crap.
Look at this.
Please represent.
All right, is the answer correct?
Yes.
All right, that is exactly how you do distribution property. Thank you.